Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there, guys. It's never a dull moment in crypto. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, yes, there's a lot going on at the moment, especially in crypto. I believe the bull market is back, and we're going to talk about Ripple and XRP. That is a given on my channel. It is one of my favorite coins that I absolutely love in crypto. Bitcoin, we're going to be talking about that. The World Economic Forum is meeting at the moment. There's a lot going on in Davos. It's absolutely crazy. So I'm going to go through everything. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, right? So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way, and there's a lot going on, yes, in the crypto world, and yes, in my world at the moment, but we'll get into that another time. Now, straight to the community tab, we've got some interesting stuff right here that came out from IBM, all right, and I mentioned IBM in regards to the quantum financial system, the QFS system. Please go look it up. It's absolutely crazy. It is happening, but look at this. The CBDCs are the future of money. IBM executive, I'm not going to even pronounce his name, says that issuers should consider a hybrid model of permissioned and permissionless currency. They are building the quantum computers. They actually are building quantum computing for this kind of thing. It's absolutely crazy. This goes into all of cryptocurrencies and, you know, all the banking coins. It's all there in that report that my bank manager actually gave me like last year. It was absolutely crazy. Anyway, please go look it up. It's interesting. And yes, I'm building a very bullish community here, guys. The Patreon, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots. It's all there. Join up is linked below, and also my dividend stock investments, okay? Now, obviously, these were the altcoins up in my portfolio. We had Kin, we had Casper, which is doing nice as well. Verasity, I'm going to get into some interesting stuff about their roadmap. Win and Amp as well. Very, very nice stuff now. Let's go to Coinspot. This is where I personally buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in this OG right here. Right there, guys, Bitcoin. And of course, with any of this stuff, do your own research. Now, all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD, because I'm catering for everybody around the world. And yes, my Aussie fans. Now, let's go through this, guys. Bitcoin sitting at $30,000, remaining very strong there, $30,900, which is nice. Ethereum's at $2,300 today, which is going really nice. XRP still undervalued at 57 cents. Incredible to see that, not, you know, it's still at that level. Remaining in the top 5 coins right there, guys, even when there's a lawsuit going on. It's incredible. ADA's at 51 cents. Moving down, Solana's down to $34. Arcane, I'm up in my investment. Can't complain about that. Dot's at $8 as well. Link's at $10, which is nice. XLM is at 12 cents. Moving down, you've got Quant at $211, up 2.74%. That's actually doing really well. My investment's doing really, really well. I wish I had bought more. Kicking myself. Anyway, Algorand's at 34 cents. You got VeChain at 3 cents, HBAR's at 8 cents as well. Moving down, some other favorites, of course. I've got a trading bot in the Patreon as well with Chili's. That's incredible. It's just mooned. It's unbelievable. Anyway, it's in the Patreon, link below. Axie Infinity as well, $13. Again, I'm still staking my Axie, earning crazy passive income from that. I'm just saying. IOTA's at 32 cents. Moving down, Neo's at $11. Casper is up 15% to 5 cents. Absolutely bullish with that one. Let's go some other favorites, of course. Casper's just flipped XDC like crazy, but XDC is still undervalued at 4 cents. All right, absolutely bullish. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And again, there's the Wall Street Bull University, guys. Look at my logo. I would actually design that myself from Harvard. Anyway, Wall Street Bull University, link below, join up. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. On the day, let's have a look at the biggest gainers. We've got RPL, Rocket Pool, that has rocketed to like 32% today, which is just madness. 68% on the week. That is crazy. We have Casper up 15%. I've been talking about Casper. It is part of the God tier list that I put up in my community tab. Absolutely bullish. Can't complain about that. I love Casper. And 36% on the week, 42% on the month, which is awesome. Other big ones here, of course, Ethereum Proof of Work, 9.6%. 23.5% on the week and 38% on the month. And I like to do, trading bot stuff as well in my Patreon, and I look at the highest volume because that's the coins that I like to trade. So it's a good indication to use crypto bubbles in conjunction with my trading strategy. Now, obviously Chainlink I'm very bullish on as well, 3.1%. And where is XRP today? Let me see if I can find it here, guys. We've got all the banking coins down the bottom right here. HBAR 1.8% as well. XLM is incredibly undervalued at 1.3% today, 12% on the week. That's very nice. And of course, Solana down 1.3%. Everything's down 1.3%. $23 right now. Again, just looking at where it was, $135, still undervalued in my opinion. I think Solana long term is going to do well. Let's get into some interesting news right here. But Ripple attorney lends further argument on why the SEC is wrong about the XRP details. And Johnny Deaton says the SEC's allegations have gone too far, and I believe so because they're trying to regulate crypto by enforcement. That's what they're doing. But Johnny Deaton, legend by the way, has shared further insight into why he believes the argument of the SEC makes a case that can grant Ripple Labs the victory in the ongoing case in the status of XRP coins. Now, according to Deaton, the SEC's claims that XRP is a security at all times is proof that the Howey test has no simple definition, facts, which makes its use determining if an asset is a security or I can't even pronounce it, Adronis task right here. Anyway, Deaton said that 3,000 amicus briefs submitted to the court revealed for the first time that buyers of XRP did not even know Ripple Labs existed or had any influence whatsoever with the coin. And over the course of the lawsuit, began in December 2020. It's a long time. The SEC has drafted an expert to testify against XRP. Deaton noted the expert made an attempt to call entirety of XRP community a common enterprise. How could you do that if it's decentralized? According to the provisions of the Howey test, a common enterprise is when profits of the investor are combined with and depend on the success of third parties of those selling the investment. Work that out, guys. I think the SEC is going to have a hard time with this. But look at this, guys. Legal expert again says XRP doomsayers right here are overstating the SEC's chances right here. And a combination of widely publicized lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple looks to be drawing near. One particular leading legal expert had a few things to add in favor of the blockchain company. Specifically, again, Johnny Deaton said the SEC is overstretching its arguments, drawing attention to the Howey analysis the regulator used to assert that XRP token was a security. And basically, as I mentioned before, it's wild to see that the SEC is making these accusations against Ripple and suing them. And there's only one reason why they're doing that, because they want the power to regulate crypto, because they know the future. They're not joking about it. They want the power. Anyway, machine learning algorithm sets XRP price for February 1st. And again, it's very, very interesting to see. But look at this. With much recently made about the artificial intelligence AI, OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is just wild, by the way. If you're running an e-commerce business, make use of it while the trial is there. It's absolutely incredible. Investors are now looking into deep learning algorithms to gauge future price trends. And I've tried this, but it doesn't really like it. But anyway. And the machine learning algorithm projects that XRP will likely extend the bullish trend from January to February. Per the projection, the asset is expected to trade at 40 cents on February 1st, representing an increase of about 2.8% from the token's price at the time of publishing. And when you use it, you have to really get into the questions. You've got to be very specific and try and use it like, give me an example, that kind of thing. Basically, that's the only way you'll get around the generic answers that it provides. But it's pretty incredible, guys. Go check it out. Now, Bitcoin's on-chain and technical data begin to suggest that the Bitcoin price bottom is in. I've been saying it for ages that the bottom's in. But BTC's uncanny resemblance with the last two market cycles raises the possibility that the bottom could be in, but full confirmation is dependent on on-chain data. Bitcoin's $21,000 price has followed the 4-year cycle with consecutive bull and bear trends occurring in somewhat measurable intervals, which is true. And a closer look at Bitcoin's long-term price action reveals that the run up to the top and the bottom of previous cycles looks remarkably similar. And I've been putting up some charts from incredible technical analysis as well on my Twitter page. Go and have a look at it. And again, what's more interesting on the 2020 and 2021 cycle shows that the signs of the following are the same pattern. Independent market analysts Horan Harris found that the period between the bottom and the top and the bottom has been the same since 2015, 152 weeks and 52 weeks respectively. Even if 2013, the bear market lasted 58 weeks, only 6-week difference from the other two cycles. It can be exactly the same, guys. I predict it's going to be anyway. That's just my opinion. And again, basically, this is the post that I put up in the community tab, and basically IBM exec is saying that CBDCs are the future of money. I think so, and it's happening at the World Economic Forum as well. Now, interesting stuff right here, but the WEF, Klaus Schwab, Global's Village, a metaverse promises better world and better meetings. But the World Economic Forum launched a prototype of its own metaverse, the Global Collaboration Village. The WEF claims that the Global Collaboration Village will be a purpose-driven space where organizations can collaborate and take action on the world's, right here, guys, most pressing challenges, which is interesting. It's already been done with Zoom. But anyway, very interesting stuff. Verasity, I'm not paid to endorse this, guys, at all. I'm staking this on Coinspot, and I think Verasity is an incredible project for creators, just saying. But they've released their new roadmap for 2023, and if you go down here, you've got Q1. There's a whole heap of onboarding and new ad publishers, which is incredible. IV detection algorithms right here via machine learning. And again, it's an incredible project here targeting, content creators and basically like YouTube creators, which is incredible as well. But have a look at it. Veracity is incredible. You've got Khan's Line 2023 event. You've got website update, native payment app prototype, advertisers development statistics back end. This is all happening this year with Veracity. Very undervalued gem in my opinion. I am staking that. Now let's go to cryptometer.io and see where the money's been flowing in the last 24 hours. I've got Monero, SHIB, XRP, which is nice. Binance, you've got Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum. What else we got here, guys? Hedera as well. Very, very bullish. That is where the money's been flowing. Now, my cat has been doing incredibly well. As it's unbelievable, guys. 2% per day. You can't complain about that. It is linked below. For some reason, my wallet's not connected through MetaMask, but that's how I'm doing it. High risk, high reward. I only put the minimum in of $100. Basically, it's 0.1 BNB. That is it to get started, and you can just reinvest them. And guys, take out your initial investment when you can. That's basically the aim of the game with this one, but please be careful. I can't guarantee this thing will be around tomorrow. I'm just having some fun with it. It is linked below. Check it out. Again, absolutely wild with 2% per day, and it gets paid out into your MetaMask as well. So that's the one I'm using. Now let's go to Twitter quickly, guys. Have a look on there. Some interesting stuff going on. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you go follow me there. I'm giving this away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. The bull ring right there. Unbelievable. The fear and greed index is finally at neutral. We've been waiting a very long time for this. That's awesome to see that. Now, moving on, you've got the IMF, International Monetary Fund. The economists warning that central banks risk setting off financial earthquake with constant rate rises. We are due for another rate rise here in Australia next month in February when the Reserve Bank gets back from their Christmas holidays, probably in Davos or Switzerland or wherever they are. Again, that's going to be hurting a lot of people, which is crazy. And the derivatives market, thank you, Dr. Martin Heinsbach, right here. This is incredible, and it's the truth. But the derivatives market is valued at more like 2.8 to 3.5 quadrillion dollars. Absolute facts. I've said 4 in the past. Crazy. Now, Stuart Alderodi, Ripple's attorney right here, but no matter how you dissect it, the experts agree that the outcome of the Ripple case will likely have significant impact on crypto's future in the United States. And an upcoming ruling could help determine the answer to an urgent question: who should regulate the crypto industry? And I mean, honestly, I believe that the CFTC in the United States should regulate the cryptocurrency space. I mean, one of the directors went to Ripple's office. So, I mean, there you go. I think it's better than Gary Gensler. He should just go away and just retire and do something else. He's worth millions anyway. He's got enough cash. TA analyst right here, guys, but basically predicting that Bitcoin's going to hit 500K. I'm not exactly sure when. But again, we are here in the cycle right now, and I tend to agree with this. And it will moon back up to its all-time high of 60,000 USD, and it'll be basically 100,000 AUD, which is crazy. Brett Garlinghouse to represent Ripple at the World Economic Forum in 2023. Of course, he did last year as well. And basically, Ripple unlocking $120 billion value in cross-border payments. And it's I mean, this is what I'm saying here. Cross-border payments infrastructure, intended use for cryptocurrency XRP as a settlement instrument. Highly volatile of XRP, leading to limited willingness from banks and using it to facilitate payments. Relatively high costs owning the spreads between fiat and XRP. There you go. I mean, it's there with JP Morgan. Jamie Dimon worked that one out. And Verasity is again the roadmap I've just been through right here. Breaking meme coin Floki has formed a strategic partnership with Binance. I don't know. I think the meme stuff is over right now. Doge is pretty much done because of Elon Musk. But the party's on. Dozens of media companies set in 2023 content deals with Twitter. You can expect Twitter to move. Now, this is crazy. Swiss Gold, all right, is now accepting payment for gold and silver purchases in the cryptocurrency XRP. Look at that. Settle Ripple XRP as your currency on swissgold.ch. I believe that's Switzerland. Place your order online. During the checkout, pay with altcoins. Arrange payment to our Ripple wallet. Swiss Gold. There you go. You can buy gold with Ripple and XRP. Absolutely love it, guys. Thank you, ISO 222, for that one as well. Flare, wrap your Flare before 19th of Jan right here, 7 p.m. UTC time to qualify to vote. Flare holders will have the power to decide if FIP.01 passes or fails. There you go, guys. If you're holding Flare, feel free to delegate at your own risk. And the World Economic Forum annual meeting, Ripple Brad Garlinghouse, finding the right balance for crypto, January 19th. I'm very bullish on that. Let's see what he says. Let's go to CoinMarketCap quickly, guys. And we've got a total market cap of $995 billion, $48 billion in 24 hours, which is nice. 41% BTC, 19% Ethereum. And again, 22,300 cryptocurrencies. That is going up very slowly as opposed to the previous bull market. Absolutely wild. These are the gainers in my portfolio. UBX Network, Kin, Shib, Casper, Verasity, Alliance Block, Solo, XPR, Proton, and Winlink. Full list I'll put up in the Patreon, guys. And where my money's going, it's not financial advice, but is the banking coins. Ethereum, XRP, ADA, AVAX, Link, XLM, Quant, ALGO, Hedera, IOTA, Casper, XDC, LCX as well, which is gem. And Alliance Block, it's working with Hedera and Quant. No-brainer for me, in my opinion. But this one here, guys, is going to set the precedence for crypto, XRP. There you go. Very, very bullish. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. I'm out of here. I'll speak to you all on the Patreon and in the comments below. And please follow me on social media accounts. They're linked below. Do not go following scam accounts and do not respond to messages from fake accounts as well. All right? Please be careful. Stay safe. I'll speak to everyone very soon. All right? Peace out. Bye.